Hello everybody, welcome to Road to Manhood. My name is John Moses. Today we're going to be replacing our LED fog lights, but not on my Tacoma. After all the excitement, I went ahead and made sure also the size is right, which is H11s that fit your light bulbs for your fog lights and your regular lights. I didn't realize that my 2020 Tacoma actually already has LED lights, and it comes with a bracket that I can't replace that bulb. So I called up my buddy Robert, who has a 2016 4Runner, and we're going to go ahead and install it there. We got these lights from the one and only LASFIT, and let's go ahead and check them out. Let's put them on so you can see the before and after. These are pretty hella bright. Let's go. All right, y'all, this is gonna be a super short video because the installation is quick, easy. Right out of the box, this is exactly how they look. They look all swole and ready to go and ready to impress. These are size 8, 9, and 11. No 10s. Not even sure that's a right size or a 10's size. I don't know. Okay. But the explanation is actually super simple. The little circle spot on this unit connects to the circle spot on your light, and that oval spot connects to your truck. You can go through your hood or under the bumper as preferred. And this is where I found out, god damn it, this won't fit on my truck because I can't break this apart. So I called up my buddy Robert with his 2016 4Runner, and we went ahead and connected them. Super simple, like I said, just plug and play. The light bulb just screws off, the original one, and this one just pops right back in its place. It's like one of those screw-in parts. Super simple. The brackets actually welcome it. Once you click it on, boom, shakalaka, light, and here's the difference. Right away, this is a humongo difference. Yes, we're comparing white versus yellow, but at this time, we did not know how to activate the switchback, which is a matter of turning on and off your lights. But look at how much surface area it covers regardless. It is incredible. These are making a huge difference as well. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at a little bit before and after. Now, this is going to be before we installed the actual lights, the LED lights from LASFIT, and here is after. Absolute upgrade, and be ready to upset the people that are driving in front of you. And yes, once again, off and on, you actually activate the switchback, and here is an example of the yellow versions of these LED upgrades. Thank you guys so much for watching this short, quick video. I hope you all enjoyed it. There's going to be a link down below so you can get direct access to your upgraded LED lights from LASFIT, and feel free to use code R2MSA for your 10% discount. Save that money. Feel free to hit that like button and also subscribe and watch more videos right now.